Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So I was reminded a couple of weeks ago by a young lady in the store who said, you need to do a Christmas message for Christmas Day. And she's 100% right. So this is a Christmas message to the whole Bullion Now family. So we're obviously closed at the moment. We've been reflecting on the year that's been, and it's been an interesting year. There's been some seriously high points and serious low points, but we've all come through them as a wider Bullion Now family. And I can't tell you how much we do appreciate the support of the community for the business. It means that we can support you, we can provide better customer service, and we can hopefully provide a better year in 2024 as far as your bullion stacking goes. So a very heartfelt thank you from all of the team here to the whole Bullion Now family. And we are very excited to be looking forward to a brilliant new year. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.